New Orleans to Buffalo, big dog, Siberian husky flow. I've been a big dog since a puppy though. My kennel was a bungalow. You could walk the dog, I still run it, so run from me. Niggas that be balking turn to hush puppies. Fuck money, I throw bread out like I'm duck hunting. Bitches on me like fleas, but I don't need no bugs. Bunny Tunchi and the butcher, I shoot you, he a jug ya. The mute be on the blooker, that's the Uzi with the shusher. The doobies looking fuller and the jewels be full of boogers. Diamonds cover the watch face like a Sunni and a Muslim. Got the hoochies and the hookers with the booties in the bosom. Snipers like Kevin Durant, shooters be like Devin Booker. I'm a black soprano, the keys whiter than the black piano. Your female dog suck my cocker spaniel, that's a dog hoe. I smack the dog shit out your dog though. For that doggy bag, I send your ass where all dogs go.
I guess that's how I feel to be a big dog. I'm a long way from that brick of fed, no. Made my